Hi fellows. Hope you all are doing great. I am a seasonal networks and security consultant with 15 years of experience. I have recently passed my CISSP exam, and in this video I will share my experience with you regarding the tips and tricks for attempting this exam. I hope you will find it helpful. So, let's start with introduction. CISSP is considered as the gold standard for information security. It is the most prestigious certification in information security domain. It is considered as one of the toughest certification, and that is the reason that the passing percentage for this exam is less than 50%. There are total 8 domains in CISSP exam. Percentage of each domain can be seen in this slide. Weightage of first domain apparently is slightly higher than other domains, but in actual, if you want to pass this exam, you have to master first domain. All other domains are technically dependent on domain 1. But again, to pass this exam, one should have clear grip on all 8 domains. There are few domains which earlier had lesser weightage, but ISC² has increased their weightage as per market trends and current industrial requirements. Let's talk about exam pattern and exam details. This exam is of 4 hours with at least 125 questions and maximum 175 questions. You get more than 125 questions if they are not able to decide your result and your score is on edges, then they throw few more questions to you to take a decision. Apparently, you have to score 700 out of 1000 to pass this exam. These 2 books by Shon and Mike Chapple are the ones which I found really helpful, as they had all the required information and all topics were explained in details. If you have time, then read both of them, otherwise read at least one of them completely. Following are the preparation tips I would like to give you and want you guys to follow. Step 1. Take online classes from any instructor/coaching center like Al-Nafi, Mike Chapple, Simplilearn, or any Udemy course. Step 2. Read one of the recommended books mentioned in the previous slide. Step 3. Try to skim the topics and prepare your own notes for the topics from whatever you understood from the books and from the lectures you have attended. Be careful while preparing these notes, as they will be very helpful for you in your final preparation. Step 4. Attempt questions given in the end of these books and from other sources to see your preparations. Step 5. Once you get some confidence, register your exam. Book your exam for a date occurring after 3 to 4 weeks at least. In my opinion, all this will take at least 3 to 4 months, but as Walt Disney said, the way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. So start preparing for it and try to give your best. Now, once you have booked the exam and you have only 3 to 4 weeks, then follow these steps. Step 1. Revise your notes and read book again for the topics you have confusion. Step 2. Listen to Prabhitner Kofi shots. Watch all videos at least once now. Listen to the tips given by him carefully. Step 3. Read these books. How to Think Like a Manager, by Luke Ahmed. And The Memory Palace by Prashant Mohan. Step 4. Attempt practice question from ISC² official practice test book, from CIBEX. Try to score more than 80% in these exams. Step 5. Watch all Kofi shots by Prabhitner 1 to 2 days before exam again. Now, what to do on exam day? First thing, relax. Secondly, sleep well before exam. During exam, try to read every question 2 to 3 times to understand it. Finally, just be confident and give your best. Good luck. Cheers.